Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use and equip sprays in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is simply press and hold the left directional button on your controller if you're on console, and then highlight the spray using the right analog stick. Then once you highlight the spray, simply release the left directional button and you should see a spray apply. So let me get close to this wall. So simply press and hold the left directional button and then highlight the spray using the the right analog stick, and then release the left directional button and you should see your spray. Now if you're on PC, simply press and hold the T button, that's the default button, the T button on your keyboard, and then highlight the spray using your mouse and then release the T button and the spray will be applied. Now if you want to equip these sprays, all you have to do is go to the heroes section. So let me leave this much. So go to the heroes section and then find the hero you'd like to equip the spray for. So for instance, let me equip this person, and then go to the cosmetic section, and then within the cosmetic section, find the sprays option. Now you should see a list of all the available sprays. So if you have unlocked them, simply select the spray you'd like and then equip them, and now you'll be able to use that spray within the match. Or if you want to display it during a match, you can simply do that. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.